I mean, it all begins with the Tokorokanga service delivery. Romo somba boyonde. Electorates go say about Kichikura, now whether it's a service. You go to an office, Montonale, or Wakana, I mean, taxi, I Wakano, Moshahara. Go to an office, Montonale, or Wakanera, Enyomba, house allowance, Montonaro, Wakana, transport to and from job. All those services, you monto kokoa, chico chakate si yo mwananchi, or your colleague siae, evango ya rusose, taxi ya nacho. So the taxpayers, they are going extra mile. Nende comment on top of what they are doing, nende ba mente chinde asomo kolimere mobo. That is a perfect example. No, you get shamba boy, or lisi chiombe chia, chimboli chia ona binto bind. Nkomu haka no romo shahara. Oro isai ne hata iko complain. Nende kwa maya koruo, all of a sudden nende kwa motevinga singe njega asiye yendo choko chikokore ngia. Nende na comment rejebe se chinde. You know, it is a tragedy. Ayo tabu ati o complaining tax cheito to anachiru komi tutora house levy bintebion CP, you know, NSSF, all these things. Nende kwa manya kwa imokia getambo kere kionga ponolende ebinonya bananchi banachiru wa mitiru nende bado being my bosses nende tigama mitemono. No service delivery go have a problem. It is something that has been an unwritten law. Eneli chikoli liro litali kriando singa abantu ikabaseru. Namando banalize. Anything that happens quite often abantu banchire you set a presidency nga ekebona kigegendret. No muama jigonaro osetati atali kriando. Niekero wonkero aro no toto ekera bana baro linga wachire. Ekia ba ko vacating ora we karanse kero bono a culture ya tokenism na regenderete it will take a revolution any near go change a culture ya tokenism was a bribery go change in any way inducements chikoro kwa say influencers ebi ntoke to kwa ngora ego ebiranga bya lenge straight byanza kolenga something else some of course make decisions out of that influence abandon dirokoba what distorted their mind montoranga montona bandora. I think you have those cases omonta handoranga ne mingisai you know there are people at their level and class bakoranga ga one child and they are the minority. Majority will say they live and demand bakoranga toranzera mohambinga kiatutika. So it is a culture ya very couple for quite some time nende ya aleta tunabara because of this competition inganta ko etikende ninkona lichisera buya mondotali so shuanga bantu balina ba convince kweli angana etia omosoliga ndole ko sembanganje. So it will take a bit of time and a bit of a revolution
and at the same time maybe